Interestingly enough, someone asked to take a look under the cover of an Ape Labs product. So we're going to take a Maxi that I've used for a demo for, gosh, a couple of years now. Seen some use. And I'm going to pull this apart, kind of show you under the hood, so to speak, and let you have kind of a cook's tour of the inside of one of these bad boys. So the Ape Lab Maxi is a family of battery-powered mobile uplights from a company called Ape Labs. And they are designed, engineered, and manufactured in Germany. This polycarbonate cover that houses the guts of the Maxi. I'm going to take off these optics. These are made in Italy, high quality optics. They're 10-degree beams. Take those off, and now we have the guts here. We have the circuit board, the PCB, right? PC board. We have 3 RGBW diodes. And this is kind of interesting, by the way. You know what I'm doing? We actually encourage our customers to do. Why? Well, we're okay if we encourage you to work on your products. Why? Well, if you have a problem, if you have some challenges, maybe you need to change out a battery. Let's take a plausible scenario. Let's say this thing is, by the way, our units come with a 3-year warranty. Our main, what I would call name brand competitors, if you can call them that. That's not knocking anybody. I think everybody's got, there's such thing as the perfect uplight. There is the perfect uplight for your mission. And these aren't for everybody, but neither is any other brand, right? It's really what fits your mission is what we recommend you look at. So do your homework, right? Look at all the needs that you're going to have and make a choice. So getting back to why we encourage our customers to take this apart for a couple of reasons. Let's say you had a battery, these batteries are warranted for 6 months, but that's it. Let's say you went through 300 to 600 cycles, which is what these nickel metal hydride batteries last. A long time, just as long as a lithium. Let's just say it's a 14.5-hour battery in this thing, and let's just say, I don't know, for some reason you had to change the battery out. With another manufacturer, if it's still under warranty, if it has a 1-year warranty or 2-year warranty, and you open the case, you voided your warranty. So you cannot change out your own battery. You're okay doing that with this. Our batteries are $49.95 for any battery you need for any one of our products. You can easily take these out, replace them yourself, and you don't lose the use of this product. You can just exchange it, get the battery in 1 or 2 or 3 days. From any of our awesome dealers. And you can do your own surgery. It's very simple, very simple. And you're not down. You don't lose this for 4 to 6 weeks while it's being repaired. You don't void the warranty if you try to do it yourself. You don't have shipping costs to send it back. And obviously pay for the return postage and the cost to replace the warranty, to replace the battery that's out of warranty, right? After 6 months, right? So I'm going to show you, I obviously disconnected the amp connectors here, right? I'm just going to pull this circuit board off. Just lift it off. And I'll give you a little peek at it, right? You can see the European ROHS symbol there. This is, again, custom made for us in Germany. We have 2 factories that we sub out to. These are very high quality. You notice all of the electronics, they use what they call surface mount devices. So they're extremely small, very tiny. This is the underside of the unit, right? And it's just a beautiful design, right? I don't know whatever that says on there. That's one of the manufacturers we use to make this for us in Germany. And they're phenomenal quality. These things are just amazing. And anyway, the reason I'm showing you this is just the beautiful design, the simplicity. But there's some cool stuff here as well I'm going to show you. I'm going to put it back on now just to show you how it works. By the way, all those white spots, that's thermal paste, right? It transfers the heat from the diodes and one of the transistors, the power transistors, onto this large aluminum heat sink, which allows the boards and the LEDs, diodes, to stay cool. And now I'm just going to quick put this back on and screw these on a little bit quicker here, I hope. There we are. Tighten them up. There's one. Just needs to be snug, not super tight. And then we'll connect our amp connectors right now. Put them back in. Come on now. Get in there for me. Fat fingers. And here we go. And there we go. Let's just make sure we have power. Yay! Okay, that's working. Now you're probably wondering, what the heck is Owen doing with water? Ah, good question. Remember I said we encourage you to take these off? Another reason. Let's just say these were out in the water. As we said, our units are splash proof, right? So I'm just going to pour a little water on here. Don't want to put too much on because, well, too much to clean up, right? So if you can see here, we have water, right? And everything's functioning perfectly, but if this happens, if they're left out in the rain, if you get caught in a rainstorm, if they're in a tent and they get wet, if somebody spills beer or puts them in their shower, DJ Rachel, or DJ Bar, they pour Red Bull on them, we can just blot these off. Let me turn this off so you can see a little better. Blot this water off from here. Just a paper towel, real simple. Just dab it dry. Turn it back on. Voila! Let me bring this back out now. There we go. And we'll just put our Italian optics back on, like so. And we're going to put our faceplate back on, which actually holds those optics in place. And we will put our nickel-plated screws, Phillips #1 screws back in. And we will be finished with our, turn these back on here. Actually, I put that on blackout. There we go. And voila, we are done. So now we've got a fully functioning Maxi once again. And this is the RF remote, which changes colors. We can just go through any of our 20 presets here. Lots of presets on this remote. We have 4 groups, RF, 100 to 200 foot range indoor, hundreds more outdoors. It's an amazing light. We've got a W app that you can use, which makes it awesome. This thing, German made, German designed, German engineered. It's a beautiful product. Thanks for watching.